This is a very simple wall hanging to make, and for this you need color paper, scissors and glue. To begin with, you need sheets of color paper which you're going to fold in half and fold the same again and cut out this piece, and then you will trim the corner to form this shape, you see, and then from this corner you are folding it inwards. You will fold it inwards tight and do not open up your fingers. You hold it tight and continue till you come to the end. Okay, and this is going to form your base where you're going to apply glue here, and after some time, 10 seconds, you're going to press it down and your flowers will be ready like this. I have in different colors already done, will be like this. Thank you. This is part 1.